my name's Henri. I'm with AkzoNobel, and we're here today at the last day of SEMA to talk about Carbeat. This is our latest innovation from AkzoNobel, and the tool is used to manage production in shops, and it also has a lot of other capabilities and reporting functions for shops that'll be able to actually reduce their cycle times by an average of what we're finding from the Carbeat users today is an average of about 9% reduction in cycle time. And so we find that this is generating more profits for the shop as well. The benefits of communication with Carbeat are threefold in my mind. One is it's a central point of communication, because when a shop is working with their technicians and all the people in the shop and trying to make sure that they get production out on time, they're generally standing around this board with all the information right there. So they're very confident that the information there is what's real in the shop, and all of the information is on each one of those digital cards for that particular vehicle. So that's one aspect of it. So what you find is that most shops, when they have all their technicians standing there, the communication is the same, the messages are the same. The other issue that we find in a lot of shops is they don't set sometimes the right expectations with their people. So when you're standing around the board with your technicians in the morning and you're asking about different vehicles and how soon they're going to be done, that is really setting the expectations with the technician. So if I have one technician that I want to have a car done, or I need to have it done by 11 o'clock, the other technicians are standing there, and if he agrees he can have it done by 11 o'clock, then it's actually setting the accountability with the rest of the team as well. So what we find is this tool actually engages the shop and engages the technicians in the business itself.